To talk to Mike Lowry.
Hello, it's Mike Lowry.
My review of the Cenat meal. I'm not gonna hold you. If this thing ass, Cenat, you owe me a refund. You personally owe me a refund. You got it, I don't. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so fries, large size, you know what I'm saying? Grown ass man. Then you got the, you know what I'm saying, a Big Mac yourself. Hold on, pop that bit out. You know what I'm saying? Boom, alright. It's like a regular Big Mac, stainless sauce. This got like two chicken sandwiches on that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Fries, you know what I'm saying? Type shit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna hold y'all. This is my actual meal. Like, I'm not gonna hold you. So, if I starve, it's Cenat fault. No cap. Large size fruit punch, you know what I'm saying? But look though, I got reassurance. Because buyout, 10-piece, simple. I ate one. You know what I'm saying? But hey. Hey man, say man. Let's get it, man. It's how them commercials be. Cenat meal. Take one. Doo-doo. Take two. Doo-doo. Hi, how you doing? I'm an ambassador for who's that black guy name? Whatever, one of them. Alright, so look. Get a little chicken patty, boom. Man, should I throw some barbecue sauce on this bitch or no? Barbecue sauce or no? Fuck it. Okay. Bust that rolling avalanche. My old bitch average.
It's my first time rapping it. I might go retarded shit. Bentley coupe, I'm dashing it. Standing my money, I'm tall as
God! Nah, I ain't gonna hold y'all boys. This shit is fucking terrible. I don't know what the fuck happened. Or what. Am I gonna finish this bitch? Hell nah. I mean, I might. But, yeah, nah, this shit's horrible. This shit is horrible. I advise y'all to do what the fuck I did, bro. Get the sandwich by itself. Not the meal. The sandwich by itself. Get the 10-piece. Get the fries. You know what I'm saying? Of course, barbecue sauce. And I usually get like a little shake or something from McDonald's, but I get a fruit punch. I don't like drinking. I try not to drink soda too much. Cause why would the fuck I was drinking sodas? I don't need to. But yeah. Hey man. I gotta stop doing bullshit for y'all. But it's funny I say that. It's very hypocritical for me to say that because I'm finna be dressing up for Halloween doing bullshit for y'all. Exactly. So I'm gonna keep doing it. Like the video though. You know what I'm saying? It helps with my self-esteem. When you like and comment, it really helps my self-esteem. You know what I'm saying? Hey.
sipping on lean on green, I'm high as a bird, bitch. Yeah, I'm popping them motherfucking X with bitch.